this is Hannah on the Hannah Show. And guess what? Hannah's about to be kicked off my shows. All of them. And I'll edit that out. If he does an annoying thing again. I can edit it. And, yeah. I'm all Samantha. I know my hair's a mess because I just got in the shower and I just got out of it. Don't touch me! And yeah,
Let me give you
everybody calls me Hannah Swift.
No,
I don't know
it's...
why. My friend Jamin, Ishmael, all my classmates do. Hannah Swift. It just sounds
She don't
weird.
call you... I don't call you Hannah Swift.
That's also the Hannah Show. Just gotta say. Vote for me. Peace out,
Vote for
yo.
me, too.